What's up you guys, it's Ash and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super fun because I'm unboxing an advent calendar. I know it's a bit early. Saw this on a website which I'll link down below for you guys to click in because I can never think of the actual name of this, like cosmetics something or other, but I'll link it down below. And I saw this advent calendar on it when I was purchasing something else, and I was like, I am dying to see what that's like because the advent calendar is from Essence. I am a huge Essence fan. I've never had an advent calendar from Essence before. It was super affordable. I think it was like €25 or something like that, so really affordable. I think this is a lovely gift to give to somebody. I really would love to receive this. I just think it's lovely to open like a little box every single day right up till Christmas and, you know, get a little gift in it. So I'm gonna open this. It took about 7 working days to get to me. So let's start with numero uno. So they come in like these like little boxes and they have little cute things on it. This one says mornings take a little more coffee and a lot more mascara. I wonder, is this a mascara then? Ah, yes it is a mascara. This is the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara, and it has like kind of Christmas packaging. I really like that. I love the fact that you get a makeup product in this every day, and like how happy would you be just to open up this every morning and get your little makeup product. So we're now going to go on to number 2, and it's like this little tiny little slice over here. So let's pull this out. What does it say? When in doubt, just add glitter. So we have, ooh, a cute little nail polish. This is Happy Snow and it's a season to sparkle. That's really cute. This does tell you everything you get on the back, but I'm not looking at it because I don't want to cheat. So we're going to go for number 3, which is another big box over here. And this one says, shape it till you make it. And we have a nail file, so that's quite cute. It is a glitter nail file as well. Actually, I do need one of these because I need to give myself a little bit of a pedicure. This is probably a bit too harsh. Oh no, it's not actually. I just thought the glitter on it made the file really harsh, but it doesn't. Number 4. Where is number 4? Why am I struggling to find number 4? It's over here. It's a big one. The big one over here. And the box says, your face is my favorite thing to look at. The little sayings on it are quite adorable. So I got the Essence Kajal pencil in Teddy. This is actually one of my favorite eye pencils. I have a few of them, but it's this gorgeous brown shade. I know it looks so basic, but it's the best brown pencil ever from an affordable brand, and it lasts all day in my waterline. I really like that. So on we go to number 5. It's like another one of those little tiny pizza slices. Speaking of pizza, I'm starving. Today is great for glitter. Is this more nail stuff? Because every time it says glitter on it, it's like nail files, nail polish. Jewelry nail stickers. So you get like little tiny nail stickers. That's kind of cute, but I would like to see a bit more makeup in it, maybe, perhaps. We've had 2 makeup products and 3 nail things. So on to number 6. Why am I struggling to find these numbers here? It's like I just can't see what I'm looking for. This one says, you highlight my life. This better be a highlighter. Oh my god, this is so a highlighter, isn't it? Oh my god, it is a highlighter. So this is the highlighter, and it is the Baked Metallic highlighter, and it looks like that. Ooh, it's like a pinky shade. Ooh, that's pretty. Don't know if I can see that on the back of my hand. Possibly not. It's so pretty. That's nice. I love the Christmas packaging in it. So we're going to number 7. And number 7 is right here. This one is a red nail polish and it's Santa Baby. This would be nice on my toenails. I'll probably use that on my toenails. I've no objections to the nail polish, but I just don't have nails to paint. So on to number 8, which is... I struggle to find some of these numbers. It's right here. Like I really struggle. I struggle big time. So number 8 says, when in doubt, put red lipstick on. So this is what this looks like. Believe in the power of lipstick. It's a velvet matte lipstick and it's red. And mine has like a ding in it. That could be from myself though. That's a really bright red colour. You definitely could get like a full makeup look out of all these products as well. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll try them all on my face. So that's red lipstick, which you guys know how I feel about red lips on me. I'm not a lover of them. Always around like the festive season, I do like to put on a red lipstick. On to number 9, which is a big one over here. And it says, I love the shape of you. How cute. Ed Sheeran, eat your heart out. Oh, a lip liner. Soft contouring lip liner in Going Steady. This is actually one of my favourite lip liners from Essence. I lost my Going Steady lip liner. That's it there. when I was moving home. So now I have a new one. Brilliant. On to number 10, which is over here. And this one says, make someone happy today. How cute. How adorable. Oh, ripping the box. Ripping the box badly as well. And in here we have any day. We have little like tags or like gift tags that you put on a present. That's actually kind of handy and kind of cute as well at the same time. So on to number 11, which is another little pizza slice. And this one says, dream, believe, achieve, beautiful nails. This one's heavy, so it's probably another nail polish considering it says nails. And it is! This one is naughty or nice, and it's a black with silver glitter nail polish. Nothing more I could say about that. Moving on to number 12 rather. It says, never stop believing. Why do I keep doing that? Like, oh my god, little voice every time I'm reading it out. Like, who are you, Aisling? Just use your own human voice. And this one has, what is this? A bracelet. That's so cute. That says believe on it. That's actually really cute. This is definitely something if I got when I was maybe like 11, 12 and I opened that and I saw that little bracelet and I probably would have legit screamed because I would have been like, oh my god, I love it. Over we go here to number 13, and number 13 says, I make brow contact before I make eye contact. I'm presuming you're a brow product. Yes. So the Essence Eyebrow Designer in Blonde. I wouldn't be mad about their eyebrow pencils. I've used them in the past and they wouldn't be my favourite thing ever. But I will probably give this a go. Now Blonde might be a bit light for me. But I'll definitely try it out and see what I think of it. Over here for number 14. And it says, take care of you, love. Oh, what's this? Ooh, nourishing hand cream. That's nice. Now that's something different. I like that. It has a slight fragrance. It's not overpowering or anything like that, but I love a good hand cream, especially in the winter. And that's quite cute and small and I could fit that in my handbag. Very happy with that. So we've got number 15 now and it says, relax, baby. Oh my god. That's the cutest thing I ever did see. It is a little miniature bath bomb. Oh my god, that is seriously cute. Drop the bath bomb into warm water and watch it fizz away. That is so cute. That's like the last thing I was expecting to get in this. And I actually really like that. On to number 16 over here. Ooh, this is heavy. It says, do what makes your soul shine. Oh, it's another nail polish. Holly Jolly Christmas. That's like a champagne shade nail polish. Time for number 17. Number 17 says, may your day be as flawless as your makeup. I don't know why I keep reading the sayings, but I just think they're kind of cute. This is oil control paper. Great. Love that. Blotting paper. Cannot go wrong with that, especially on my face because my oils just are always overproducing. Over here to number 18. And number 18 says, come on, kiss me, darling. Ah, that's cute. Is there mistletoe on this? There is lip balm. This is color changing lipstick. Love that. Oh my god, it's black. This is so fun. And obviously it's gonna change to not black. The suit is black not. Oh my god, love it. Does anyone watch Borat? The suit is black not. Trying to tell jokes. I really like that little lip balm. So cute. Number 19. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Look how beautiful you are. I kind of like reading the things. I think they're just so sweet. What's this? My camera just cut out and I have no idea where. But there was a little pocket mirror in that. How cute is that? You're magical, it says. That's so adorable. I actually would like to have a pocket mirror because when I'm out and about, I don't have any mirror to kind of look into. Not that I need to. But you know what I mean. Just in case you needed to check your lipstick or put your lipstick on. So that's what that looks like. You are magical. Like, it's just so sweet. Number 20. Number 20. It says, do my nails is my cardio. Did we get more nail product? Do you think we did? I'd be shocked if it's nails. It's nails! Another nail polish. This is Ho Ho Ho. And it's like this kind of burgundy shade. I actually really like that colour. It's actually a really nice colour. Number 21 says, think happy thoughts. A cute like little turquoise box. And this has, ooh, message stickers on it. They're actually kind of cute. I'm not going to lie. To be honest, even as a grown-ass woman, I really like stickers. I've always been obsessed with stickers. I used to collect them when I was younger. So getting stickers in this is definitely welcomed. On to number 22. And this says, you will nail it today. No, not more nail polish. I have so many nail polishes. I don't need any more. And this is a deep dark, kind of like brown shade almost. It says meet me under the mistletoe. Down here we now have number 23. And then we've only one more to go after that. So number 23 says, more glitter is always an option. And it has more stickers. Oh, these are bracelet tattoos. Oh, that's kind of cute. I like them. I wonder would I be any good at applying them. Definitely if you're like younger, that's kind of cute. I really like that. They're welcomed. I like them. All the way down here we have number 24. This is the last one. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Is this more nail stuff? Oh my god, it's a little eyeshadow palette. That is so cute. Oh my god, that's really cute. Look at that, guys. I would 1,000,000% wear that. Not a bother. I love Essence anyway, but I just thought that that was really cute. That's a nice thing to get the day before Christmas Day. I must admit. I like that. Okay, guys, so that is the completed advent calendar from Essence this year. And I really like it. I actually do really like it. I think it's a lovely little gift to give someone for €25. You get decent little products in it. I would say, please don't give me any more nail polish or nail stickers or nail files. There's too many of them. The little stickers and the little tattoos and stuff are kind of cute, and the bracelet and stuff. The mirror and the bath bomb I thought were like so adorable, and the blotting sheets, I love that. But Essence have really good products in their line. Like they have really good eyeliners. They've really good liquid liner. Hello, I would have loved to seen that. I would have loved to seen more choice on lipstick, because that is definitely something you will change a lot more over like the Christmas season. Whereas how many different shades of nail polish are you going to wear? Like nail polish like doesn't come off within the hour. You'll get a few days out of it. I would much rather see more lipsticks. A little blusher thrown in there would have been a lovely little addition, and maybe some like glitter for the eyes or something like that, loose glitter. That would have been a nice little addition. You can't go wrong with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nail polishes and 1, 2, 3 nail accessory things. 50% of the boxes contained nail products, which is not like my favorite thing ever in the world to get nail things, because I get my nails done. But obviously if you're into your nails, then they'll be welcomed additions. I really like this little advent calendar personally. Like I said, for €25, it's actually lovely, and it's just nice to open something every day and get a makeup product instead of getting sweets. Because I mean, I love sweets and everything, but we eat our weight in chocolate on Christmas Day and all in December, that it's nice to get like a little makeup treat every morning. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want me to do any more advent calendars, because that website has loads of different ones. Like they have ones from Makeup Revolution, they have ones from Catrice, they have ones from Maybelline. They have loads of different ones. So if you want me to do another advent calendar, let me know and I can do that, because we still have like a couple more weeks before we need to start buying the advent calendars. So what have we got? Like maybe 6 weeks before it's time to buy advent calendars. So I can definitely do a few more between now and then. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, thumbs it up. And I will talk to all you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.